Hello YouTube, I've got another Zippo review. If you can't already tell, this is a replica series. My favorite of the four, I believe, the 1935. If you look at this, it's got the very nice box. Windproof Zippo lighter. It's got your windy girl lighting her cigarette. A week's trial, then all the while, when you open it up, you get this, and it comes with the comparison, like the new one, instructions in there. And let's look at this. So I've got the slashes with the street chrome, I believe, whatever, I don't recall the name. And look at that, there's the hinge. It's on the outside, not the inside. It's a wee bit shorter than a regular Zippo. Very, very nice. Because of that outside hinge, flops down all the way. Unlike a regular Zippo, which is stopped like that because of the inside hinge. That pin in the flint wheel, it's has a hole in it. This has never been striked. All clean and everything. All these inserts fit the regular size Zippo as well, in case anyone was wondering. And this is uncanned. It was made in G of 12. I don't feel like thinking of that. And I believe the insert was made of I of 12. And yeah, this is probably my favorite lighter of the few I have. Starting up my collection. And yeah, this is a really good lighter. I do recommend getting it. Just my favorite of them all. I don't know, it's unique, cool, different. It's a really nice lighter. Thank you. Rate, comment, and subscribe.